Welcome to the captivating world of photography. Photography is the art and science of capturing light with a camera. It's a process of recording images by directing light onto a photosensitive surface. This surface, whether it's traditional film or a modern digital sensor, captures the light and transforms it into a lasting image. Now, let's dive into the tools of the trade, cameras. These devices serve as our visual storytellers, capturing moments and memories. They come in various shapes and sizes, from your smartphone to professional-grade cameras. Cameras and our eyes have a lot in common, but they see the world differently. While our eyes create real-time perceptions, cameras capture single instances of time as still images. Understanding this difference is the first step to mastering photography. The magic of photography begins with light and lenses. Cameras use lenses to focus incoming light onto a photosensitive surface, a sensor or film. These lenses come in various focal lengths, allowing you to zoom in, go wide, or achieve creative effects. Shutter speed is like a camera's eyelid, controlling how long the sensor or film is exposed to light. A fast shutter freezes action, while a slow one captures motion as a beautiful blur. Aperture is your camera's pupil. It regulates the amount of light entering the lens and affects the depth of field. A wide aperture, or low f number, creates a beautiful background blur, while a narrow one, or high f number, keeps everything sharp. ISO measures your camera's sensitivity to light. Lower ISO values are suitable for bright conditions, while higher ISO values are ideal for low light. However, higher ISO can introduce noise, so it's a balancing act. The exposure triangle combines shutter speed, aperture, and ISO to achieve the perfect exposure. Understanding this balance is crucial for getting the results you want. Now, let's explore some valuable tips for those starting their photography journey, whether you're using a mobile phone or a dedicated camera. Tip 1. Embrace the golden hours. One tip to treasure is embracing the golden hours. These are the magical moments shortly after sunrise and just before sunset when the sun casts warm, soft light. It adds an enchanting touch to your photos. Tip 2. Learn from the masters. Educate yourself by studying the works of legendary photographers. Their insights can inspire your creative vision, helping you develop a unique style. Tip 3. Experiment and practice. Don't hesitate to experiment. Try different angles, compositions, and photography styles. Remember, practice is the key to improvement. Tip 4. Master your gear. Whether you're using a smartphone or a professional camera, make sure you understand your gear thoroughly. Learn about its features, settings, and capabilities. Tip 5. Tell a story. Remember that every photo has a story to tell. Go beyond capturing an image. Strive to capture emotions, moments, and narratives. Congratulations! You've taken your first steps into the enchanting world of photography. Keep exploring, keep learning, and most importantly, keep clicking. Don't forget to subscribe for more technological knowledge.